Hey guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so this is my typical morning routine on a weekday when I don't have class. So I'll set my alarm for about 9:45 so I can get out the door by 10 o'clock to go to the gym. So first I just go through my phone and go through Instagram and all of that. And then my dog Callie, follow her on Instagram. I'll leave it right here. She loves to give me kisses in the morning and say hi. She is so cute. I love her. So right when I'm done cozying up to her, I get out of bed and I already usually have my outfit picked out to go to the gym, so I'll go ahead and put that on. I'm just wearing some workout leggings that I got from Forever 21, as well as a Nike pullover kind of workout jacket, and then I'm wearing my sock shoes from Fashion Nova, which you really can't see here, so I just put that on like that, and I put some braids in my hair. I love to make my bed every single day. It makes me feel so clean and just, I don't know, I love doing it, so that is what I am doing here. Right when I'm done doing that, I go ahead and brush my teeth. I usually don't wash my face in the morning because I go ahead and go to the gym, and right after the gym, I shower and do all that stuff. Of course, I did not show you that, but I'm just brushing my teeth right now. The next thing I always usually do is go into the kitchen and grab 2 bottles of water to fill up my Starbucks cup in. I always make sure to drink tons and tons of water, especially when I'm going to the gym. You don't want to get dehydrated and it really helps your skin. So I go ahead and just pour that into my Starbucks cup. I love this cup. It's so cute. So I'm just going ahead and doing that. It usually only does a bottle and a half, and then I'll save the rest for when I eat lunch. Now I'm just heading out to the gym. I usually spend about an hour there. If you guys want to see my gym routine, let me know down below. But here's just a clip of me doing some squats. Thank you to my boyfriend for helping me. So I am back from the gym. I went ahead and washed my body off. I didn't wash my hair because I washed it the other day. And then I made some lunch. For lunch, I made 4 scrambled eggs, 1 apple, as well as some toast and jelly and water, of course. And yeah, it's basically my morning weekday routine. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys want to see what I eat in a day, I can cook it. That would be really fun. So let me know down below if you guys want to see that. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.